Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you the Scribus preferences and how to modify or adjust some preferences. By the way, if you want to support my channel, you can visit my Facebook business page and like, share, and follow my Facebook business page as a support to my JTutorials YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Okay, let's continue to the main topic video tutorial. First open the Scribus software you've already installed. Once you've opened your Scribus software, go to File in the upper left corner. Click Preferences. Here you can change some preferences for your own user interface. Click Page Sizes. And here, you can bring some page sizes as a default choices into the active sizes by choosing and clicking the desired available sizes you want to be as a default choices page sizes. If you want to remove a particular page size from the active sizes, just click a particular page size you want to be removed from the active sizes and click the left arrow button, or I want to call it out arrow button. Go to Display and click it. Go to Colors tab, and here you can change the color whatever you desire for your own user interface. And you can play around these other options and see which styles and designs you like. And that's pretty much of it on how to use the Scribus preferences and how to modify or adjust some preferences. If you want to watch another video related or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.